Hey everybody. Last week I did the Bordeaux series where I dyed my hair red, and today I will be installing the Cali Free Weave custom dyed by me to match. Hey, so this is your Cali Free Weave, a weave already done, and I'm gonna take about 10 minutes to install it, blend it, and voila. Okay guys, so it's pretty done. It took me about 15 minutes to install it. I haven't flat ironed my hair, but you'll see the blend. Okay, so I'm done. It's all blended and finished. I straightened it. And that's it. Cali Free Weave. My weave already done. Installed in about 10